Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to download and install CapCut Pro as well as CapCut Free in your mobile. First of all, I will explain to you how to download and install CapCut Pro in your mobile. Mostly, the Pro software are available in the crack form, and crack software are more risky. So I will explain to you the first one method, how to download and install the CapCut Pro. Come to the mobile and open the Google Chrome, click on it, and then type in the search box, type the up to down for the Android, click on it, then click on the first link of the up to down app store, and this is the main page of the up to down for the Android, and then click on the search box and then type the CapCut application in the search box, click on the CapCut application and scroll down, and you can see here get the latest version of the CapCut application. Click on the get the latest version button and then again scroll down and file type is APK, size is 285 MB. Scroll down and this is the download button. Click on the download button and then click on the download again. The download will start. Click on the detail option and you can see here it depends upon your Wi-Fi speed. The download has been completed. Click on the install option and finally click on the open option. The CapCut application will open here. You can see it will check the virus and other risk, and then click on the agree and continue button and select the one option. I want to select the social media content option. Click on it and then click on the create video with templates option. Click on it and these are all the templates available in the free. Come to the mobile and open the Google Chrome, click on it and copy paste the link I have already shared in the beginning of this video as well as in the comments box. You can easily copy and paste from the comments box. This link is about the www.mediafire. Open it and then finally click on the CapCut Black 4. Click on it. The download will start here. You can see. And finally click on the download anyway option. The download will start. Click on the detail option and you can see here it depends upon your Wi-Fi speed. The download has been completed. Click on the install option and finally click on the open option. The CapCut application will open here. You can see it will check the virus and other risk, and then click on the agree and continue button and select the one option. I want to select the social media content option. Click on it and then click on the create video with templates option. Click on it and these are all the templates available in the free. I want to make a video on this one templates. Click on it and then click on allow option and then select your video. Here you can see on which video you want to apply this one templates, and then click on the next button and finally click on the export button above export button. Click on it. The exportation will start here and you can send your video on your Instagram story, WhatsApp, Facebook, and you can share this video on the TikTok also. So now I want to share this one video on the WhatsApp, and I want to send this one video to my friend. Click on the WhatsApp option. WhatsApp will open here, you can see, and then click on the above search and write your name, your friend name, and then you can send easily your video. So come to the another method, how to download and install CapCut free in your mobile. You can download the CapCut free application by the Play Store application. Then everyone use the Play Store application. How to use the Play Store application? Everyone can use it easily. Then come to the mobile and open the Play Store application. Click on it, and then click on the search icon, the below search icon. Click on it and click on the above search box and type the CapCut application, CapCut app. Click on the CapCut app. So there is updation option is available because I have already installed the CapCut Pro in free. If the CapCut application is not exist in your mobile, then the install option is available here. Then click on the install option and follow the rest of the steps that I have done, that I have already done for the CapCut Pro. So if you have any question about the CapCut Pro as well as CapCut free, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.